Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll take you to a very beautiful place in Uttarakhand, which is Rishikesh. Rishikesh is just 250 kilometers from Delhi and can be reached via bus, train or by private vehicle. We left from Delhi at midnight and reached Rishikesh early morning, and then we headed towards Neelkant Road to our campsite. Neelkant Road is in the outskirts of Rishikesh city. This is our campsite, besides a tributary of Ganga, and they took about 1500 rupees per night per person, which included breakfast, lunch, dinner, and night stay. After resting in our hotel and having breakfast, we headed towards the waterfall, which was just 2 kilometers from our hotel. We had booked a package from our campsite itself, which took around 1000 rupees per person for river rafting. After river rafting, we went to explore Rishikesh town, starting from Laxman Jhula. We went to Triambakeshwar Mandir and Laxman Jhula and visited many cafes and restaurants near Laxman Jhula. Next day early morning, we enjoyed the river flowing besides our campsite. This river was a tributary of river Ganga. Then we checked out from our hotel and headed towards Patna Village, which was just 4 kilometers from our campsite. From where we headed towards Patna Waterfalls, which was a 2-kilometer trek in jungle. After visiting Waterfall, we headed towards Rishikesh town to visit some other places. This is the famous Ram Jhula of Rishikesh. Now we have reached Paramarthniketan, which is a major tourist attraction in Rishikesh. This is the view of Ram Jhula at night. Next day, we headed back towards Delhi via Haridwar. This is the Haridwar town. I hope you liked the video. Do click on like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for your time.